Guys, let's try to make the viral water squishy. Okay, your water bottle should be up to here. Actually, let's step out a little. Your water bottle should be up to here. And now let's add the soap. Wait, I don't know how to do this, but okay, let's add some soap. Okay, I did 4 drops. Clean up the edges. A little more. Now let's screw the top on. Let's shake. Hey guys, it's morning and the squishy still works.